In this video, you will learn three things. Why the correct power conditioner or UPS installed between your phone or network system and the wall matters. How Powervar solutions can improve the quality of electrical power. And how it can impact the customer experience, giving you an advantage over your competition. You're selling telecommunication equipment and systems to Fortune 500 companies, call centers, hotels, offices, and more to help them run their business efficiently, ultimately keeping their customers happy. Your system, of course, runs on electrical power. When that electrical power is clean, your system operates efficiently, reliably, and properly. Communication flows, connections happen, business goes on, and customers have a positive experience. But electrical power isn't always clean. There are many factors that affect the integrity of electricity that result in dropped calls, systems down, data errors, increased service calls, and shortened equipment life. This is especially true in call centers, offices, hospitals, and E911 applications, all of which have a very harsh electrical environment. These errors, caused by electrical disturbances, can look like problems with your system. Software glitches, corrupted data, and lost communication. It can result in dropped calls, lost connections, computers not communicating, and business grinding to a halt, which all leads to a bad customer experience, ultimately leading to lost business. Most of the time, power is either misunderstood or overlooked as the cause of these issues, and it leaves your customer's investment and business at risk. So far, we've seen that the quality of electrical power affects your system's performance. Clean power equals smooth, reliable performance and satisfied customers. Dirty power equals breakdowns, performance issues, equipment damage, and unhappy customers. That's why the Powervar solution should be part of the telecommunications system sale, to make sure that problems don't arise. So, what causes disturbances in electrical power? Well, things like lightning, sure, but the power environment is constantly changing. And the issues are being created by the very equipment your customers need to run their business. Like copiers, printers, heating and cooling systems, lighting, even the coffee maker. You know, things that they have running every single day, all the time. These result in electrical impulses, high-frequency noise, and high-voltage transients, all of which affect the operation of your system. So, what can you do to protect yourself? The solution is a power quality system from Powervar. They lie between your telecommunication systems and the outlet, and filter electricity to ensure smooth performance. Kind of like how a fuel filter in your car protects your car engine from impurities. But not all the power protection devices are created equal. You must install a Powervar solution for complete reliability. Here's why. The difference is in the three levels of protection: a surge diverter, a noise filter, and most importantly, a low impedance isolation transformer. It's the ABCs of power conditioning. Some power protection devices have a surge diverter, some have a filter, and some have both. But without a low impedance isolation transformer, you don't have complete protection. In fact, they can actually cause the disturbances that lead to downtime. Most UPS systems incorporate a surge diverter, a noise filter, and a battery. That may cover you in power outages, but it still doesn't provide complete protection. You need a solution that incorporates a low impedance isolation transformer. Think of it like an iceberg. It's not the obvious things like power outages, lightning, and so on that cause the most amount of damage. It's what's below the water, what you don't see, like those day-to-day power disturbances that are the most destructive. That's what causes degradation and disruption of your telecommunications systems. Other power protection devices only take care of the tip of the iceberg and don't protect against those big, sometimes unseen threats that cause the most damage. Powervar offers protection for the whole iceberg, protecting your system from surges, common mode voltage, electrical noise, voltage swells, sags, ground loops, power outages, and other disturbances. So what all of this means to you is that bundling a Powervar power quality solution with your telecommunication equipment helps you have a more reliable system with maximum uptime. minimize service calls, and provide the ultimate customer experience, which in turn increases brand loyalty with your customers. It helps your customers maximize their uptime, minimize the risk involved with electrical disturbances, protect their investment and extend the life of their equipment, and improve their customer experience. So, if you want to increase system uptime and reliability, drive bottom-line profits, and provide the ultimate customer experience, you need to provide a Powervar power quality solution.